old one and we have installed the new one. So let's make settings. To do the settings, first you have to close the gate completely, and then you bring it open the gate. You engaged. If you check there is closed and open, so we open it the other side. So we open it, we leave it on manual. In that case, we can open the gate by hand. So we open the gate completely open. Since it's a settings, we open it complete open. Okay, there is our complete open. After we manage our complete open, then we'll go for the second settings. Setting up the limit. The first things we have to do, we have to secure the end stop. So we open the gates and then we secure this one locked, so the gate won't go above this. After we secure all the pins, the gate is on manual, then we close the gates. We close the gate by hand, so we just push it until the stop end arrives. Okay, that is our end stop. So that is gonna be the end of our gate to close. Then we're gonna go do the settings. So what we're gonna do, once we have closed the gate, we go and engage our motor by turning the key to the lock positions. So we engage here. If we try to open by hand, it's not going to open, so our motor is engaged. Now let's go do the configuration. Hello, this is all you need to know about the settings. It's very easy and straightforward. So since we are using the Vantage, what we are going to do is a setting limit. We are going to press those three dot down there, and then it's gonna give us this screen. Then there we're gonna press on the settings, and once we press on the settings, we are going to put on top there is a setup wizard. We press there, then we're gonna go there, and then we click next. On the next, they're going to say gate locked, so we can go no or yes. For this case, I just pressed no. Then we're gonna go next. Then we are going to choose if it's double slide or single slides. For this case, I'm going to use a single. Then I'm going to put a single, and I'm going to make configurations. There's a warning there. Then I'm going to put a configuration if I already just to confirm if I already put the limits. Sharp, I confirm, and then it's going to go there. Then they're going to say is in inward and upward. So the difference between inward, consider that you are inside, and which side the gate should open. Like this side, the gate, when I'm inside, the gate is going to open from inside, so that is inward. So I'm going to click inward, and then I'm going to click next. From the next, I'm going to put the key on lock position. This is on lock position. I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to put start. So from the start, the gate is going to be open and closed. One is on the closed position. I have to check that is in the correct position. I click yes, so the gate will continue to open, and check the speed and everything, to check the distance, speed, and the current that is using. So once the gate is fully arrived to the closing positions, it's going to open again and close and open again to verify the closing and stop and the opening and stops. So once everything is fine, I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to wait for a few minutes for the settings to set from the phone to this, and then I'm going to say yes or not both. For this time, I just want to see yes, so that we can see what we are looking on. I click yes. Then there is a beans. So in this case we don't have beans, so I'm going to click no. And then do you want to configure a run profile? So for this one I don't have any beans, I'm going to put no. Do you want to trigger any alarm or anything? I just want to say no. And then no. Since I don't want to configure the pedestrian, then I'm going to put finish configurations, and it's going to take few minutes for my gate to be configured. And let's see how the gate. So here we can see that our gate is charging to 14.21 voltage. That's good, and it's plugged. That is the main power is on. The beams are not there, and the health of this is good. So if for example I click trigger, the gate is going to be opening, and then if I put the TRG that is triggered, it's going to close. So my gate can close and open, and then I can lock the gate. And if I want to add remote, I have just to click there by remote, and on the remote I'm going to put add remote. So from add remote I can name the remotes, any remote that I want to add there, and then I trigger the button. I make if it's going to make alarm to cancel alarm or anything, then I go next. I'm going to click this single button, I go next, then I'm going to press the button on. I put like GGG, then I go next, and then you just press one time a button to the remote and you go done. That's how you configure the new remotes. Thank you very much for watching, and see you. My gate is opening. You can see that my gate is opening. Good job. And then if I press again, my gate will be closing, and it's closing very well with no stress. That's how you make. Hey guys, as you can see, it was very easy and practical. I hope you learned something today. So if you have anything in technology that you want to learn, just feel free to test me on this platform. Send me a message, send me any comment. I'm going to be willing to explain what you request. What challenge do you have for me? What you want me to teach next? Make it on this comment. Like, subscribe, and share for someone who's interested to learn something new. Learn something new this 2025.